How to create post on your page on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create post on your page on Facebook app. Easy and quick. So firstly go to your Facebook and now go to this page by click on those three lines. Now click on pages and you're gonna find your page or the page you manage. Now all you need to do is click on those 3 points beside the page, or you can click on the page and click on post, and here click on create post, and here you can choose if you want to take a photo from your camera or from your gallery, or background color, live video, or get message, wherever you want here. And if you are done, click on tag people or something and click on done. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.